Yeah, g'day BCFing legends, Scotty here, but today I'm going to go as Scooter Claus. That's right, I've got the trolley here. I'm going to head in store at BCF, fill it up because BCF have just released their Chrissy Gift guide, and to spread the Christmas cheer, I'm going to head out, find some BCFing legends, put smiles on some faces. Let's do it. Yeah, Merry Christmas. Oh, get a cuddle.
Oh, thank you very much.
Merry Christmas. Come and grab a lure for free, thanks to Scooter Claus. Oh yeah, go the big one. Merry Christmas, boys. I'll keep moving. How's that sound? Like a kid in a candy shop. What about a gift card? You can buy whatever you like here at BCF. What are you going to do with these rods? Who are they for?
They're for my boy Reef. He's 11. He's just mad into fishing.
Spreading a bit of Christmas cheer. BCF would like to pay for your rods.
Thank you, BCF.
How exciting is this? I'm at my first location. Scooter Claus is ready to give out some prezzies. Let's go. I reckon a young fella like you would love to put his tackle gear in that beautiful primal bag. What do you reckon?
Yes, please.
Stubby cooler. How old are you?
I'm only 17.
Okay, so that's for lemonade. Lemonade only. What about a little live bait bucket? Thank you. How would that look? Hey, for you. I tell you what, we're talking model.
What a day for a daydream. Woo!
Have you got a grandchild or a child?
2 grandkids.
10-piece junior spin set combo.
Yeah, that'll do.
Would that do them good? Only want one? Oh, of course they both go. Don't you get away. They said, get the crumbs out and show the world. Oh, what could have possibly gone wrong then? I just wanted to show my BCF family the muddies. Wow, how much fun was that? We've checked out the fishos, the young groms to the old, and it just goes to show that there is no age limit when it comes to BCFing fun. Let's go find some campers. Don't you look at me, you got to look at her. Reverse her in. Look what I got for you. Oh, wow. A little tackle box. There might be a little something in there as well. A gift card.
Oh, wow. Thank you. BCF's my favourite shop, hey? Thank you very much, BCF. Mate, I'll be there. I love it. Yeah. I'm always there, actually.
How you going, campers? Santa Claus is here. Slap a glove, Merry Christmas. One sleeping bag for you. And a little mate. Yeah, round of a clap for Lucky.
Thanks, mate.
That's for you, mate. Santa, please stop here. Okie dokie. 2 little BCF stubby coolers and a sticker. Good on you. You got the lures and you got the shirt. Merry Christmas.
Good on you. Thanks, BCF.
This is BCF and fun. Boating, camping. Oh, look at him go. Hoi! Ho, ho, ho! He finally made it. Who's been good and who's been naughty? There for you. That will be ideal for the little grandson. There we go.
Thank you very much.
Bonbons for you. You look like a drinker. There's a stubby cooler. Blow up Santa for your mate in the Savage gear. You going to blow him up for Chrissy?
Bloody-o.
Seeing you had a BCF stand-up paddleboard, you're going to get the big one. Because you're wearing a BCF This Is Living shirt, you have won the woo-hoo-hoo! What do you reckon about that?
Awesome, Scotty.
Thank you, my friend. Well, grab a couple of lures. Save me handing them out. I have well and truly been cleaned out, putting smiles on plenty of faces. Now, if you haven't done your Christmas shopping, may I suggest ducking into your local BCF or online. Merry Christmas. Give us a kiss. Give us a kiss.
Thank you, BCF. Thank you so much.
Thanks, BCF.
Merry Christmas, BCF.
Merry Christmas, BCF.
BCFing good.
Oh, don't you love that? Yes.